Listen closely, because I'm about to reveal something sitting in your kitchen right now that could completely change the way you feel as a man over 50. That simple bottle of olive oil you use for cooking, it might just be the key to unlocking the energy, drive, and vitality you thought were gone forever. My name is Emma Blake, and for more than a decade, I've been helping men over 50 rediscover strength, confidence, and performance without relying on expensive treatments or dangerous pills. Today, I'm sharing a natural, science-backed method that's shockingly simple. No prescriptions, no gimmicks, just a recipe you can make in 5 minutes tonight that has the power to supercharge your testosterone, rebuild your energy, and light that spark inside you again. Let's start with the truth most men don't hear. Testosterone is at the core of your strength, stamina, and masculinity. And after 50, it drops like clockwork, about 1% each year. At first, it's subtle. You feel a little more tired, the weight around your midsection grows faster, your focus slips, and maybe your desire isn't as strong as it once was. But year by year, the decline adds up. By your late 50s or 60s, you wake up exhausted, crash by afternoon, and wonder if the man you used to be is fading away. But here's the twist. Your body still wants to make testosterone. The factory is still there. It just needs the right kind of fuel. And olive oil, especially the highest quality extra virgin olive oil, provides exactly that. In fact, research shows men who consume real cold-pressed olive oil can raise their testosterone by as much as 17 to 19% in only 3 weeks. That's not a small bump. That's life-changing. Why does it work so well? Think of testosterone like the engine of a sports car. It won't run on the wrong fuel. Olive oil delivers the clean, premium fats your body uses to build testosterone. It also bathes your cells in antioxidants that protect them from damage, lowers inflammation that strangles hormone production, and improves circulation so your body runs like a finely tuned machine again. But here's the thing. Not all olive oil is created equal. The cheap bottles stocked on the bottom shelf often lack the compounds that make this work. What you want is golden, aromatic, extra virgin olive oil, the kind that hasn't been stripped or diluted. That's where the real power lies. Now, olive oil on its own is powerful, but when you mix it with 4 other natural ingredients, something incredible happens. This combination doesn't just boost testosterone, it shields your hormone-producing cells, calms stress hormones that sabotage your masculinity, and ignites your energy from morning to night. The first ingredient, fresh garlic. I know it sounds strange, but garlic contains allicin, a compound that does something critical. It pushes back against cortisol, your main stress hormone. Here's why that matters. Cortisol and testosterone are like rivals fighting for the same spot. The more stressed you are, the less testosterone your body produces. Garlic gives testosterone the upper hand, lowering cortisol's grip on your system. And as a bonus, garlic improves blood flow. Better blood flow means stronger erections, more stamina, and a feeling of being fully alive again. The second ingredient is fresh lemon juice. On the surface, lemons seem simple, but this citrus powerhouse is loaded with vitamin C, which acts like armor for your testosterone-producing cells. When those cells are shielded from damage, they can churn out hormones at full capacity. Lemon also helps regulate blood sugar, and that's huge, because unstable blood sugar wreaks havoc on testosterone. Keep your blood sugar steady and your testosterone production hums smoothly in the background. The third ingredient is ginger root. For thousands of years, men have sworn by ginger for vigor and vitality. And now science confirms it. Studies show ginger can raise testosterone levels by 17 or more %. Ginger works by clearing inflammation out of your body, the same way rust corrodes an engine. When that rust is gone, your testosterone engine can roar back to life. And the fourth and final ingredient, turmeric with a touch of black pepper. Turmeric is nature's anti-inflammatory superstar, and its active compound, curcumin, helps keep your body in balance. But here's the secret. Without black pepper, curcumin barely gets absorbed. With just a pinch of pepper, absorption skyrockets by 2,000%. Together, turmeric and black pepper create the perfect environment for testosterone to thrive. So how do you put all this together? It's surprisingly simple. Start with 1 tablespoon of premium extra virgin olive oil. Not the cheap refined kind, the rich golden oil with a fresh aroma. This is the foundation. Next, crush 1 clove of garlic and let it rest for about 10 minutes. That waiting time is critical because it activates allicin, the compound that battles cortisol. Then squeeze in 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, adding that burst of vitamin C protection. After that, mix in half a teaspoon of grated ginger, fresh if you can, though powder will do in a pinch. Finally, add a pinch of turmeric along with just a dash of black pepper to unlock its full potency. Stir it together until it becomes a bold, earthy blend. You have 2 easy ways to take it. Either drink it straight like a quick shot, or drizzle it over a salad or vegetables with dinner. Some men love the flavor instantly, others need time to adjust. But your body doesn't care about taste, it cares about fuel, and this mix is fuel for your masculinity. Now, here's why the timing matters. Take this mixture with your evening meal. Why? Because your body produces most of its testosterone while you sleep. By delivering these nutrients at night, you give your system exactly what it needs right when it's primed to rebuild and repair. Think of it as sending premium fuel straight into the tank before the engine runs. But don't stop there. If you want to supercharge the effects, combine this recipe with a few simple habits. First, make sure you're getting enough zinc. Your body cannot make testosterone without it. Foods like pumpkin seeds, beans, or lean meats are excellent sources. Second, include magnesium in your diet. Magnesium helps control stress hormones and keeps your system in balance. Dark leafy greens, almonds, or even a square of dark chocolate are simple ways to get it. Third, stay hydrated. Dehydration thickens your blood and slows circulation, making it harder for hormones and nutrients to move where they're needed. Aim to sip water throughout the day. And fourth, move your body daily. You don't need to crush yourself in the gym. Even 20 minutes of walking or light weights is enough to remind your muscles they're still valuable, which signals your body to keep producing testosterone. So what should you expect? Here's the timeline my patients often report. In week 1, you may not notice much. Your body is adjusting, building momentum. By week 2, many men feel more morning energy, fewer afternoon crashes, and a subtle lift in mood. By week 3 and beyond, the transformation becomes clear. Waking up refreshed, sharper focus, lasting energy all day, stronger performance in the bedroom, and a renewed sense of confidence. It's not magic. It's your body finally getting the raw materials it's been missing. Now, let's talk mindset. A lot of men hit 50 and assume decline is inevitable. They accept fatigue, belly fat, foggy thinking, and weaker performance as their new normal. But that belief is a trap. Aging doesn't mean losing your edge. In fact, with the right strategy, your 50s, 60s, and beyond can be some of the strongest, most confident years of your life. This recipe isn't about pretending you're 25 again. It's about leveling up, giving your body the tools to function at its best, and proving to yourself that age doesn't define your masculinity. Choices do. So here's my challenge to you. Commit to this recipe every evening for 30 days. That's it. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, a splash of lemon, a hit of ginger, and that golden combo of turmeric with pepper. Pair it with decent sleep, light movement, and hydration, and give your body 1 solid month of consistent support. When you do, you'll feel the difference, not just in your energy, but in your mood, your focus, your strength, and yes, your performance. If this resonates with you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a friend who needs the same boost. And if you're ready for more practical, natural ways to stay strong, energized, and confident as you age, make sure you subscribe. I share new tips every week to help men like you take control of their health without gimmicks or shortcuts. Remember this, getting older doesn't mean getting weaker. It means getting wiser about how you fuel and care for your body. Your future self will thank you for the choices you make today. Try this olive oil recipe tonight, stick with it, and watch how your life changes in the weeks ahead. This is Emma Blake, wishing you strength, vitality, and confidence at every stage of your journey.